Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening WhatsApp and navigating to the chat where the photo belongs. Once there, tap the paperclip or camera icon to open your phone's gallery. This is faster than switching apps. Choose the photo you want. You can pick multiple images by long pressing the first and tapping additional items. Make sure the image is the right orientation and crop or edit now if needed, because sending preserves what you see in the preview. Once selected, use the WhatsApp editor to crop, rotate, or apply quick adjustments. This keeps your workflow inside the app. You can add text, stickers, or draw. These edits are lightweight and send faster than re-exporting from another app. Type a caption to give context, tap the contact tag if needed, and decide whether to enable the disappearing one-time view by choosing that option. This affects how recipients can save or forward the photo, so pick intentionally. Tap the send arrow and watch the message status. 1 tick means sent to server, 2 ticks delivered, and blue ticks read when enabled. This confirms successful delivery. If the photo doesn't send, make sure your connection is stable, free up storage, and check file size. Compress or resize if the file is very large. If the recipient can't open the image, forward it as a document or export to a common JPG/PNG format. This often resolves format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.